We know you're going to play in some nice warm places, but look who you're playing. Number 4, Tennessee, Michigan State, Notre Dame, Penn State, Missouri, number 9, Clemson, number 7, Arkansas, Auburn, number 22, Washington, Cal, and number 8, UCLA. That's just some of the 23 games. I haven't seen a schedule like this at BYU like ever. What's behind this one?
Well, it was a little bit of a growth process in the Big 12, and we knew we had to, have a above 500 record to at worst case get an at-large bid. So we were a little bit carefuler with our non-conference schedule in our first 2 years, but we feel like we've grown enough and our players are used to the competition enough that we could stretch a little bit more. And the way you get better is by playing the best. And
thank you for watching The Wise Guys.
If you like what you're watching, you can help us out by subscribing and hitting that notification button.